So today I'm going to be doing endOther on String-2 on codingbat.com. So given two strings, return true if either of the strings appear at the very end of the other string, ignoring uppercase or lowercase differences. In other words, the computation should not be case sensitive. Note, str.to lowercase returns the lowercase version of a string. So basically, if the string that has the lower amount of characters is in the end of the other one, then return true. So ABC's in ABC at the end. This one ABC is also at the end of this one, and this one is also at the end of this one. So they're all return true. So you have to first do if a.length is less than b.length, then string temp equals a, and if a equals e.to lowercase, then b equals temp.to lowercase. So you can change all the strings to lowercase, and at the end you gotta return a.substring a.length minus b.length, and then dot equals b.